Hi guys, so today we are ranting about Mioba. So Mioba is a gacha tuber. She mocks God and Jesus. She replaced Bible and call it Mioble. She called us idiots in one of her videos. And her remix is everyone using a mirror saying that she's calling herself a 1D10T. She collabed with Bella the Wolf. She quitted YouTube cause of the hates. But she turns herself into God. Like girl, you didn't created the world. SHE also mocks lines H I guess A.
She doesn't understand Israel like bro God lives in Israel.
If you don't understand that language, then don't replace Bible.
Since I'm bored of typing, I'ma eat chips.